Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. Just want to show you what I'm doing today. What's down there? Actually, I've got a Porsche Cayenne. This is a Porsche Cayenne turbo power steering pump that I've stripped down to rebuild because we can't find a OEM one. Because the reason why we took it out, 100% leaking from this seal right here. As you can see, it's pretty bad. So I have to rebuild the pump. So this one here is for that car there. So I'll show you so you know what it is. It's for this car here. Sorry, it's not a Cayenne turbo, it's a Cayenne S. My fault. So we took the pump off. It's here. If you're doing a power steering pump on a Porsche Cayenne, take the wheel arch off and do it from this side here. You can see what you're doing, it's much easier. Otherwise you'll kill your hand and scratch your skin like mine. But better do it this way. You can see what you're doing, and occasionally you go underneath and use the spanner and from underneath, but most of the time you can see you're taking it out this way. Alright, so let's go back to there. I'm going to rebuild it first. I'm going to rebuild it first, and after I rebuild this, and I'll do a part 2 video. So if you have a power steering pump, doesn't matter where you are in the world, just post to my address and I'll rebuild it for you and send it back to you. You don't need to buy a brand new one. Alright, this is part 1. Part 2 will be when the pump's in the actual car and the actual car is running. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.